Good afternoon, everyone. I was coming and I'm getting ready to harvest these potatoes while it's sprinkling, and it's been raining for like 10 days straight. But as you can see, all the leaves is gone. So I don't want my potatoes to miss out on my potatoes. So here it goes. Not bad. Ooh, I got worms all over the place. Look at here. Well, guess not bad. Not bad. I won't complain. This is my harvest. And the soil is wet. It might be better if it's dry. It won't be so many mosquitoes and bugs out. But now I put some of that repel on there before I came out, and they still attacking me. So, well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to press like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks.